சூப்பர் கிங்ஸுக்கு பெரிய விசில் அடிங்க. சென்னை சூப்பர் கிங்ஸுக்கு பெரிய விசில் அடிங்க. எங்க ஊரு சென்னைக்கு பெரிய விசில் அடிங்க. எங்க தலை தோனிக்கு பெரிய விசில் அடிங்க.
We have a short interruption. We have a crazy fan in our midst. Please welcome once again, Priyanka Chopra.
Hi. Hi, everyone. I'm really sorry to everybody, hello, back there, to interrupt your show. But the security was kind of stopping me at the back, and I said it's not possible that it is the IPL opening of this season today, and I just come perform and leave. I mean, I think it's justified that I want to speak to these guys, right, guys? Don't worry, I'll ask all the questions on all our behalf. Mera sabse pehla sawal, actually, I'm going to try and speak a little bit in English, but I was shooting for my film yesterday. It's called Krish. And my director of the film, Mr. Rakesh Roshan, is a huge fan of IPL. And he wanted me to ask any one of you, but since MSD is the skipper, I will ask him. That, who do you think are your 3 favorite teams of this IPL season to win? Sab log mujhse poochte hain, that... who's your most competitive actress and all, and I always end up saying, I'm the best. So you can also say your team is the best.
Before I start, I would like to... So in 4 years, this is what I've learned, and as far as the positioning is concerned, I'm very certain who will be the first 3 position holders.
Really? Tell us, please.
Yes, I think Manchester United, Manchester City, then maybe Arsenal will be 3rd.
That's cheating. We are talking about DLF IPL here. Come on, MSD. Don't be diplomatic.
Well, I think, if it was so easy, then, we won't be wasting 45 days trying to go out on the field under the sun, trying to prove ourselves. I think all the teams are really good. All of them are, very well balanced. So the team that plays consistent cricket over a period of time will be the winners.
Well, here's to hoping the best team wins. I just have something to ask all of you guys standing here. The CSK team, you guys have won the IPL championship 2 years in a row. Do you think we can do a hat-trick? Hat-trick? Some enthusiasm? Yes, no, maybe so.
We'll try our best, and we'll look to enjoy cricket on the field, and we'll try to play fair, and that's what we'll do.
Okay, fine. I'm not going to put any more pressure on these boys. I have to ask you one thing, and I'm sorry, boys, I don't mean to not include you all in this, but You know when you got married? I don't know if I can say this on this stage, but for all the girls out there, yes, ladies? When you got married, you broke a lot of hearts. तो आपको देख के मुझे एक शेर याद आया है. अगर आप कहें तो मैं कह दूं.
इरशाद.
भगवान को साक्षी मानकर आपने उनसे शादी की. भगवान को साक्षी मानकर आपने उनसे शादी की. आपको भगवान मानकर साक्षी ने आपसे शादी कर ली यार. So tell me, when you go on the field, when Sakshi is, sitting in the bleachers and she's cheering for you, क्या आपका गेम बदल जाता है कि आपकी चाल ऐसे हो जाती हो या फिर आप सिक्सर थोड़ा जोर से मारते हो? कुछ तो होता होगा.
मैं भगवान को साक्षी मान के ये कहना चाहता हूं कि मैं जब भी जिनके भी अगेंस्ट जहां पर भी खेलता हूं, सेम एटीट्यूड और सेम एग्रेशन के साथ खेलता हूं.
Superb! Let's hear it for them, guys. The sportsman spirit. Now, for all the cricketing fans out there, okay, not just IPL, cricket fans, हम लोग ना आप सबके मोहताज बन जाते हैं. It's like जब आप लोग छक्का मारते हैं तो हम लोग अपनी सीट से उठ के अरे 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 छक्का पकड़ने चले जाते हैं. Isn't that right, guys? जब आप लोग कैच पकड़ते हैं या बॉल गिर जाता है तो हम लोग भी गिर जाते हैं. So almost आप लोगों के इशारों पर नाचते हैं हम. So I think, if you all don't mind, आज चेन्नई के लिए, क्योंकि ये इतनी स्पेशल स्पाइसी सिटी है, हम आपको अपने इशारों पे नचाएंगे. Is that okay?
Are we ready?
One of my favorite Tamil songs of the season, guys. Let's hear it. You can do it. You can do it. Whenever they play it.
Everybody, this is the song. We just dropped the air, man. You hit that wave. Thank you.
ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ತೋಳ ವಚ್ಚಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ನಾಕಮುಖ 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 ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ತೋಳ ವಚ್ಚಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ನಾಕಮುಖ 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 ನಾಕಮುಖ
Oh my God, these sportsmen are best left on the field. Please don't ever take a girl out dancing. Huh? I'll tell you all that now. Kitna dance karwana pada. Well, thank you boys. You've been wonderful sports. Thank you, Chennai. You've been an incredible audience. I'm having so much fun over here that I could just keep asking a lot of questions, but I think somebody wants to start the show again. So thank you very much. We had a great time. Thank you, CSK. Here's hoping for your hat trick.
What a lively interaction.